In this video, I'm going to give you an example of how to fix your drip if you got a cut in it or if a fitting broke. It's something to think about if you're cutting a piece out and putting another piece back in. Now, I did this video a long time ago. It was actually one of the first videos I did and never published it, but it really gives you a good example. Let me show you something. I want to say, full disclaimer, the video is probably not that good. You don't want to say that.
I found this other leak right here and we cut it out. Turns out there was a emitter right here. Now the emitter is where the water comes out of the drip. So since I cut this out, something when you're replacing drip or fixing drip you want to always think about, or a good idea is if you cut this emitter out, you want to get you another good piece of drip and put that emitter back in there. Because if you don't, these are spaced 12 inches apart. So you're going to have 24 inches of spot right here that doesn't get any water. Now this plant might be only getting its water from that one emitter, and you cut it out, ain't going to get no water, plant's going to die. So, you want to put that emitter back in there.